excited here inside the Cuneta Astrodome. I'd like to take this opportunity again, Kinito, para naman i-advertise itong pharmacy ng kasama ko si Coach Ray Evangelista sa Ormoc branch.
Okay.
11 P. Burgos Street beside St. Jude Agricultural Supply. Okay, yan ang negosyo ni Coach Ray Evangelista. In the meantime, enjoy that shot by Mike Cortez.
Coach Joseph Echico is sticking to this 5 that has brought them much closer now to Powerade score. Just 1 point down. You know, Lanete has played a stellar game for Powerade. Scoring, passing, rebounding. And Anthony has not been able to hit his shot.
You know, earlier on when the Powerade switched to a zone defense, yun ang naging problema ng Barangay Ginebra, Kinito, no? They're taking too many outside shots. And that's what Powerade is doing now. Now that Barangay Ginebra is in their own version of a zone.
That's right. It's giving Powerade a dose of its own medicine. Earlier we talked about Chico Lanete. Got 10 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists with 3 steals. That's an all-around effort on the part of the point guard.
Ritualo now, looking for a teammate, finds Lanete against Cruz. Lanete with a step-back jumper. Yes!
He's been doing it for Powerade, Lanete. More than any other player, more than Gary David.
Here's Tubid. He made sure that he was beyond the three-point arc.
He had all day to aim. All day.
And almost a steal here. Ritualo now. Got it by Tubid. Oh, pass deflected and stolen. Celino Cruz gives it to Cortez. Oh, no. He is fouled.
You know, earlier we talked about Barangay Ginebra making Powerade feel the pressure. And I thought that was a perfect example of how Ginebra really makes you feel the way they play defense. They pressured Powerade into that crucial turnover, getting Ginebra an easy steal and a chance to score on the other end.
Meantime, a warning given Coach Bo Perasol.
Cortez has been the game changer for Barangay Ginebra.
And they regain the lead with that free throw from Mike Cortez. And a split there for Cortez, but
he got it back.
Yes. Well, magaling na. Suerte pa. Here's Cortez. He's left wide open. Good break for Powerade that the shot didn't go in. David now looking to create. Laure. Yes.
Oh, yes.
4-3. And this time, I think he made sure that it was a three-point shot.
And Gary David's presence of mind, he was doubled. He made sure that there would be an open teammate to get the shot.
Hatfield off that pick and roll. We're all tied at 71. Plenty of time remaining here in the fourth. And David loses the ball. Tubid goes all the way.
That's an 8-second violation. Trapped in the backcourt. It's a series of turnovers now against Powerade. Ginebra capitalizing.
And right now, Powerade feeling the pressure. A timeout is called. We'll be back. Don't go away. The crowd at the Cuneta Astrodome getting their money's worth. Because we have a close contest here. Yan, tuwan-tuwa po sila. At bakit naman hindi? Ang ganda ng laban natin dito. Ito yung last piece of the action wherein Ronald Tubid gives back Barangay Ginebra the lead. Pero matagal pa ito. Ito naman yung turnover ni Eddie Laure off that great defensive pressure by Rudy Hatfield. Hatfield. And ball is stolen. Let's see, a loose ball foul called against Ronald Tubid.
Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina about Barangay Ginebra making Powerade feel the pressure already with 19 turnovers against the Tigers. And for Barangay Ginebra actually chalk up another turnover that time, 15. But still, 4 less than Powerade in this game. Kanina nakita natin yung crowd shot, no, Richard?
Oo.
I think that crowd is not only here for this game against between Ginebra and Powerade, but what about the second game? It's San Miguel versus Meralco.
Oh.
Both of those teams have 4-game winning streaks.
Aba. So let's see whose streak will continue. Here's Mike Cortez. Now guarded by Anthony. Cortez kicks it out. Tubid from the corner. Bang! And he has 17 points in this game. Key baskets coming from Ronald Tubid.
And right now he's frustrating Gary David. Gary David not able to play the kind of defense you would want to stop Tubid from scoring. Plus, he's had to contend with Tubid's defense.
That's strong for Eddie Laure. That's a good shot, though. Cruz now signaling the play. Here's Mike Cortez on the attack, and he is fouled.
And Coach Joseph Michigo has found no need to return Eric Menk into the fray. He's happy with the kind of defense that Billy Mamaril is showing against Dennis Espino.
And the Powerade Tigers calls for a ceasefire. They are now down by 5, 6 and 4 remaining here. All right, and the Powerade Tigers getting a big lift from Chico Lanete. Lanete shooting from all sides of the court. But he needs to do more of the damage here in the fourth quarter as this team is down by 5 points. Nonetheless, Chico Lanete, look at his performance, Kinito.
Not bad. Look at the rebounds, look at the assists, the steals, and of course he's in double figures in points. Chico Lanete was not even drafted in the PBA.
You know, during that draft, when he entered the draft and he was not drafted, he called me up. Sabi, Coach, damayan mo naman ako. Dinamayan ko naman. Yan. Swerte naman siya ngayon.
We've had so many undrafted players making good in the PBA. This season, for instance, Hans Thiel.
Yes, that's correct.
Whom you'll be watching play for Meralco later on.
Sorry, miss there for Billy Mamaril.
Siguro sabi ni Joseph Chico, okay lang, basta dumepensa ka na lang kay Dennis Espino. Huwag ka na lang mag-score.
Sige, tingnan natin. Ito na yung depensa niya. Ito yung handoff kay Macapagal. And that's a foul.
And the foul was on Mamaril.
And the Barangay Ginebra bench, napatalon sila lahat doon sa mismo ni Billy Mamaril. Ngayon tayo Macapagal.
Well, he went for the switch. And he tried to challenge that shot.
Ito si Macapagal coming off San Sebastian, no? Kinito, I believe, San Sebastian.
Yes.
Katulad nung assistant coach namin, si Coach Art De La Cruz, ha? Pinapabali niya, I love you raw sa kanyang asawa, Aida De La Cruz. Alam mo, kay Coach Art, talagang kala mo, araw-araw Valentine's, eh. Napaka-loyal at mabait na asawa talaga yan. And proud alumni of San Sebastian.
Kaibigan natin yan, si Art. Pareho kami very loyal sa mga asawa namin.
Marami kayong asawa?
Kapit dalawa.
Okay. Sabi mo kasi mga asawa rin.
Ikaw talaga.
Sama mo naman ako dyan. Loyal rin man ako.
Oo pa.
Here's Mike Cortez.
He'll go to the line.
Yes. You know, what about this game for Mike Cortez?
Yeah, he's been able to elude his guard. And even Sean Anthony not able to keep up with him. Anthony is now sitting on the bench. Cortez back at the line. He's going to be in double figures. Hindi, nakaka 8 points lang.
Nako, more problems here for Powerade as ayan na, tinapik na ni Coach Jong Chico si Willie Miller. To ensure a strong finish here for Barangay Ginebra. In the meantime, Powerade continuing to fight on. There's the handoff to Lanete. Nice play, and Espino not giving up on that shot. He has 11 points.
He's been a big factor in this game, si Dennis Espino.
And Cortez steps on the baseline.
Substitution, Willie Miller for Salinas. Alan Mendoza for Chico Lanete.
Now Coach Joseph Ejigo is going with Cortez and Miller in the backcourt. And he's still holding strong with Tubid, who's in there not only for scoring purposes, but also to hold down Gary David, who has not scored here in the fourth period.
Here's Paulo Mendoza, another shooter. Gives it to Antonio. 6 seconds to shoot. Macapagal looks at the clock. Oh, and Miller forces a jump ball.
And for Powerade, they probably like their chances in that jump ball situation because paubos na ang oras to. They would have taken a very poor shot at that stage.
Pwede kayang tapikin ito ni Macapagal na sa diretso na sa ring. Hindi na siguro no? Here's Hatfield. It's a good break here for Barangay Ginebra. Mamaril hands it off to Willie Miller, tightly guarded by Paulo Mendoza. Inside pass deflected and stolen. David, oh, his pass almost snatched away by Billy Mamaril.
But Barangay Ginebra doing a good job of going back on defense. And that defense also of Barangay Ginebra forcing David again to pass off.
Yes.
So he's not looking to shoot anymore. The defense is well covered.
There's the kick out. Antonio to Espino. Espino drives, gives to Mendoza. Short stab, no good.
Oh my gosh, air ball.
Nagulat rin siya no, doon sa pasa.
Nakakagulat ka yung mga pasa gano'n. And all of a sudden, you're wide open.
Oo nga I know the feeling. A quick shot there by Cortez fails to connect, and another chance here for Powerade to inch closer. At ito na nga yung gustong siguraduhin ni Coach Bo Perasol. Just a 30-second timeout called by Coach Bo, brought to you by Red Brake Fluid. Panatag ka sa biyahe mo. And once again, Powerade knocking on the door, wanting to arrest that slump finally.
Well, they're looking at a little bit of momentum here. They're going to have possession of this ball, and Coach Bo Perasol must like his chances because they're not going exclusively to Gary David. Although I feel that at this stage, you want the ball in his hands. He's due to explode. He has not scored a single point in the fourth period. Powerade getting a lot of firepower support here from Dennis Espino. You saw Chico Lanete. He has scored, and Eddie Laure is in double figures. Macapagal.
Mendoza to Macapagal. Antonio now hands it off to David. 9 seconds on the clock. Gives it to Espino. Espino, extra pass to Antonio. And Miller gets his second foul.
And good presence of mind on Gary David. He's not forcing a shot. He's looking to pass if he sees that he's doubled.
And our Explode Energy Drink, animal sa lakas play of the quarter. Mike Cortez sneaking inside the defense and getting the basket to go.
Oh, two misses here